Hi guys, today I am going to tell you the all features and full specification of upcoming Samsung phone Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. So please watch the video till the end, and if you guys enjoy the video then please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Samsung will soon add another A series option to its 2018 lineup, and that is Galaxy A6 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus is the bigger brother of Galaxy A6. The price of this device in India is expected to be 25,000 and is due to be launched in May 2018. Samsung usually follows a unified design throughout all A series every year, and thus the Galaxy A6 Plus design is expected to be similar to Galaxy A8 Plus. The smartphone features a metal unibody design which reflects a premium look and feel and is expected to be made available in three color options, that is black, gold and blue, and also will have a built-in fingerprint sensor as the primary security feature, along with the host of connectivity options in terms of 3G, 4G, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. The phone is expected to flaunt glass on front and rear, a 6-inch 80:9 AMOLED Full HD resolution display at 411 ppi on the front, and the screen is expected to be protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass to make the screen scratch-free. On the software front, the handset runs the Android version 8 Oreo operating system out of the box. This device packs more power in terms of hardware and also has the IP68 certification, which makes it dust-proof and water-resistant. Now let's talk about the camera and its battery life. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus comes with a 13 megapixel rear and 8 megapixel front-facing shooter, which remains unchanged from the Galaxy A6. It will support face detection and high dynamic range imaging as well. The rear shooter also is assisted with an LED flash, and that will help you to take low light photos and videos. You can use the front-facing shooter for making video calls and capturing selfies. And coming to the battery, there is a non-removable 3500 mAh battery, which is good enough to last for an entire day under moderate to heavy usage. As far as the specifications are concerned, at its heart, the smartphone is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 625 chipset and a 4GB of RAM. This device also has Adreno 506 graphics processor, will help phone run smoothly even the most memory-intensive applications without showing any signs of lag. As far as the connectivity options are concerned, guys, then this Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus is coming along with dual SIM support, including 4G with voice support, GPS, Bluetooth 5, NFC, Wi-Fi and a USB Type-C port. On the storage front, you will get 32GB of onboard storage space, which can be expanded up to 256GB further using a microSD card. Therefore guys, Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus is packed with excellent configurations, quality features and deliver powerful performance and are capable of handling multiple tasks with ease. Though this Galaxy A6 Plus doesn't give you dual rear camera options, but as we all know, Samsung makes always good quality camera to take photos and capture videos in good quality to make your moments memorable. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus of 2018 is going to be one of the best devices around this price tag. So that's all for today guys. Hope this video will help you to find those things you are looking for about Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. And friends, if you find this video helpful, then please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, so do subscribe, comment on the below and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Keep loving, keep supporting and keep sharing. See you in my next video.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.